Narrator, calm, friendly tone. Curious about investing in the stock market but don't know where to start? In today's video, we're going to break down the basics of stock market investing for beginners, so you can feel confident taking your first steps toward financial growth. Let's dive right in. Section 1, what is the stock market? The stock market is like a marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies, known as stocks or shares. Imagine it as a bustling marketplace where companies put their shares on sale, and you, as an investor, can buy them. As these companies grow and become more profitable, your shares can increase in value, allowing you to benefit from their success. Section 2, why invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Unlike keeping money in a savings account, which typically grows slowly, the stock market has the potential to offer much higher returns. However, remember, the stock market also comes with risks, so it's important to invest wisely. Section 3, understanding stocks and shares. Now, let's break down what you can actually buy in the stock market. There are individual stocks, which are shares of specific companies like Apple or Google, and then there are index funds and ETFs. These allow you to own small pieces of many companies all at once. For beginners, ETFs and index funds can be a safer choice, as they help spread out your risk. Section 4, how to start investing. To get started, you'll need a brokerage account, which acts like your gateway to the stock market. Many apps and online platforms allow you to set up an account quickly and start investing with as little as a few dollars. Take some time to research the best brokerage for you based on fees, ease of use, and available resources. Section 5, basic strategies for beginners. One essential strategy is to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different companies or even different industries, which can help reduce risk. Another popular approach for beginners is dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, like every month, regardless of the market's ups and downs. Section 6, understanding risk. It's important to understand that all investments carry some risk. Stocks can go up and down, sometimes unpredictably. Start by investing money you don't need immediately and can afford to leave invested for a few years. The stock market is a long game, so patience is key. Section 7, tracking your investments. Once you've started investing, keep track of your investments. Most brokerage platforms offer tools to view your portfolio, track performance, and see how much each stock or fund has grown. But remember, checking too often can lead to stress. Aim to review your portfolio occasionally rather than daily. Investing in the stock market can feel overwhelming, but with a basic understanding and a cautious approach, you'll be on your way to financial growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what other financial topics you'd like us to cover.